The doctor's office didn't have any medical records, anything whatsoever.
Sabir Hassan was one of the people who wrote to KPBS detailing their ordeal with Palomar Health Medical Group's computer outage.
The other problem is that the doctor cannot come up with any conclusive treatment plan because they don't have access to the previous records.
Hassan's problem mirrors dozens of others who contacted KPBS about the same issue. Poway resident Erin Allen told us that nurses had to ask her what the doctor diagnosed her with. Cecil Stockton from Valley Center says she was unable to obtain her prescriptions since the outage began. Neither has Dan Martinez from Escondido. Palomar says it discovered suspicious activities on certain computer systems on May 5th and quickly took those systems offline to prevent the spread of possible malware. The healthcare system says it is working with a third party to investigate the source and restore those systems as soon as possible. Palomar says its medical centers were unaffected and remain fully operational. PHMG's computer systems, however, are still down nearly 2 months later.
There's definitely a cyber incident going on.
Tony Anscombe is a cybersecurity expert at ESET, a cybersecurity company headquartered in San Diego. He says there's been a rise in cybersecurity attacks on hospitals and healthcare systems because so much personal information is stored there.
If I go and attack a regular company that's got invoicing data and maybe your home address and some payment information, yeah, I've got a reasonable amount of data. But now put me into a medical facility, and suddenly, if I've managed to get medical records as well, I've got this very rich data that includes your social security number.
Palomar so far has released very little information about the incident. Anscombe says that could be a good thing because by law, the healthcare system has to notify people if their personal information has been compromised. The other alternative is that the FBI is involved and asks Palomar not to disclose any information while it is still investigating. Palomar did not respond to a request for comment by Deadline. Alexander Nguyen, KPBS News.